Hi guys, another day, another vlog. Happy Monday. Good morning. It's 7:46 a.m. in the morning. So dito tayo kay Honey. Hi, Han.
Hi.
Nagano kami guys. Dito lang ako sa sakyanan kay andun silang PJ tsaka si Mama sa loob ng Dao Market kasi nagbili sila ng parang isda. Tapos ako nagpabili ako ng isang tray ng egg. Minati na namin din si Ethan kanina. So walang ganap today. Siguro lakaw lang ko niya. Mangita lang lagi ko lagi. Kaya og dili gud kahuam si Ma'am Mary mapugos kog prinda sa akong alahas. I have to prinda my alahas to pay the bill. To pay the car bill. Pero ag Wigo, dili na ko siya bayran ng Wigo. Kaya it's because kung bayran nagkuhan ra bansa og bios. So bye guys. See you later.
Most people in Canada at one point, either themselves or their parents or grandparents,
1:47 p.m. na guys, same day. Chan is still here. Feeling tapad, ning pungpung, humami.
Just before I became Prime Minister, it had gone up to 7.5% of our populations. And so our challenge is to, and this is what we're doing, is to make sure that we rapidly build up our ability
Tama ba na dyan?
for those who are here, who are working, who are building a life, to do that.
Sana, kutson yarn?
We said this in Parliament, that millions of people would be out of status in coming few years.
Kutson yarn?
And those people would be in very vulnerable situations.
Ayaw
and
ka.
could easily be pushed towards crime.
Ayaw.
So what your government is doing for preparing